We are going to do a frame within a frame tutorial. So you need a new document. Change it to 8.5 by 11 with 200 resolution. And I'm going to paste my photo in here, so I previously copied it. And this is of Priscilla. It was taken by Joy. And so first you have to actually take the photo like this with your subject holding the frame up. Then I'm going to paste the photo again. I'm going to use the move tool and push it off to the side for a second. Click back on layer 1. Oh, I'm actually going to close the eyeball. Click on layer 1, and we're going to select the inside of the frame. So I'm using the polygonal lasso tool. And just in each corner, I click. And we're going to delete the selection, so hit backspace. And if I close the eyeball in the background, you can now see it looks like a window. Open the eyeball on layer 2. Do Control D to deselect. Now here, the layer 2 is on top, so we need to drag layer 2 under layer 1. And now you have this cool frame within a frame. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, so I just Control T, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Oh, that must be my husband blowing me up. And this is really up to you. I kind of feel like these frames are too close together, so I might actually make it a touch smaller. And you can use your arrows on your keyboard to scoot it around. And then hit Enter. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing again. So I'm going to paste another layer. There it is. I'm going to close the eyeball on that one, but then go to layer 2. Use the polygonal lasso tool. Select the inside here on layer 2. I want you to do this about 4 times, so she should be getting smaller with every layer. Backspace to delete. Control D to deselect. And then you do have to drag this layer, layer 3, under layer 2. If you Control Z, you can go backwards. So I think I just messed up. Let's see here. Close the eyeballs. That looks good. I think this one needs to be a little bit smaller. There we go. I hit Enter. And then I want you to repeat that one more time. So I was going to just drag this to the new layer. I've been showing you how I paste it. It's really up to you. You can do everything in here about 25 different ways. So let's put this over here. Go back to layer 3. Polygonal lasso tool. Select this area. I'm eyeballing that part. Oh, you can Control Z and let's just deselect that. Control Z and undoes the steps that we just did. We haven't really talked about that. Make sure you're on the right layer. Backspace, Control D, and then you can open up the eyeball here, drag this layer underneath, use your move tool. If I go too fast, you can slow this down, you can go backwards. I'm using the arrows there. And I want you to do that at least 4 times. And then File, Save As. Save it as JPEG. Make sure you save it where you remember. I'm going to say Joy's Priscilla frame. And then upload that to Canvas.